Hello, brain. Our brain is used as a memory bank. It is not created to be a memory bank, to carry all the information that is required for survival. Unfortunately, we have become a mobile encyclopedia, carrying all the information and try to memorize each and everything that is for our survival. And we have been made a mobile encyclopedia. This is unfortunate because our brain is not made to only memorize things, but to create. We are born to create our own life, our own identity, our own future. So let us use our brains to think, create, and be successful. Thank you.